Have you ever seen machines devour trees like they're nothing? Prepare for a thrilling adventure where raw power meets nature's toughest tests. Massive logging equipment, fearless operators, and sheer determination clash in a high-stakes battle for the wilderness. It's not just logging, it's domination. The Pezzolato All-Road 1400/1000 isn't just powerful, it's unstoppable. Its 700 horsepower Volvo engine devours 800mm logs, turning them into 380 cubic meters of wood chips every hour. The rotating cabin gives operators unmatched control, making even the toughest jobs feel effortless. Ever wondered how it feels to operate such a beast? Lumberjacks are the unsung heroes of the forest. They brave harsh conditions, heavy equipment, and dangerous tasks daily. Their skills keep the industry running, and their grit deserves more than just respect. It deserves our admiration. Could you handle the dangers they face every day? Meet the OSA 270 Helgam, a machine built for the toughest terrains. Its advanced leveling system keeps it steady, even while hauling 12 tons of timber. Pair it with the OSA 270 processor, and you've got a duo that's ready to tackle any challenge, from log forwarding to precision processing. Talk about versatility. Step back in time with Mr. Maka, one of Japan's last horse loggers. Watch him guide his horse skillfully through Tono City's forests, using techniques passed down through generations. It's not just about cutting wood, it's about tradition, respect for nature, and the artistry of a fading craft. Who says you need fancy equipment to get the job done? This backyard woodcutter, built with ingenuity and hard work, runs like a professional machine. After a little elbow grease, it turns timber into usable resources with ease. Sometimes, innovation starts in your own backyard. The 1974 Kenworth Big James is more than just a truck. It's a time capsule. Powered by the legendary Detroit 12V71 engine, its deep rumble brings back the days of classic logging, diesel fumes, and the smell of pine. Can you hear the nostalgia in every rev eye?
Put your blade down, you're going to start digging around, making the ruts and stuff ripped out.
Excavating is about finesse, not just force. Watch as the Cat 305E2 operator expertly uses leverage and control to lift a massive root ball with precision. It's not just about moving dirt, it's about doing it with skill, efficiency, and a touch of mastery that only experience can bring.
Like that, and just kind of peel it off.
The VM60SR mulcher doesn't just clear land, it transforms it. Turning debris into valuable mulch, it helps enrich the soil and support future growth. It's a sustainable approach to land management that turns waste into a resource. Who says logging can't be eco-friendly? Get ready for a spine-tingling thrill. We're talking about the ultimate challenge for lumberjacks, their worst nightmare that keeps them sharp and always on edge. You're curious, aren't you? Let's dive in and see what makes this beast so legendary. The Dipper Fox SC600 stump grinder is a powerhouse. Reducing even the toughest stumps to sawdust in seconds, it combines speed and raw grinding force for maximum efficiency. Think of it as a wood chipper on steroids, ready to tackle any challenge in its path. In the dead of winter, when temperatures drop and snow blankets the ground, loggers don't back down. With the TDT-55 machines, they brave the elements, ensuring operations continue. It's not just about cutting trees, it's about conquering nature's toughest challenges with sheer determination. Pruning isn't just maintenance, it's a vital practice for forest health. By removing dead branches, trees can focus their energy on stronger growth, leading to a more resilient ecosystem. It's nature's version of a fresh start, ensuring the forest thrives year after year. This wood chipper might be compact, but it's built for big jobs, handling trees up to 200 millimeters in diameter and producing 14 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. It turns raw timber into valuable resources with speed and precision. Small but mighty, it gets the job done. Logging isn't a one-person job, it's a team effort. Watch as the crew navigates challenging terrain, using skidders and dozers to move timber from even the toughest spots. Their coordination is seamless, showcasing the hard work and dedication that keep the industry thriving. The Hypro 755HB harvester isn't just about power, it's about precision. With the ability to cut through 45-centimeter thick trunks while minimizing ground disturbance, it ensures sustainable logging practices. It's designed to get the job done right without compromising the environment. Watch closely as our pros face one of the most dangerous challenges in logging, removing a tree near high-voltage power lines. Every second counts. Safety is paramount here, but in this job, things can turn unpredictable in a heartbeat. Look! The tree splits vertically and collapses. That could have gone very wrong, but these professionals handle it with precision and expertise. Now, feast your eyes on the sheer power of the Ponce Ergo harvester. This machine can take down even the largest trees with ease. It's not just a piece of equipment, it's a force of nature. Watch how the harvester grips and controls each tree. Swift, precise, and unstoppable. This is logging on a whole new level. Have you seen the TT4 in action? This beast takes snow, heavy loads, and everything else you throw at it like it's nothing. Watch this monster eat through the toughest terrain like it's child's play. It's a force of nature, just unstoppable. Imagine building your own sawmill from scratch. Just a frame, an engine, and a blade, yet it runs like a dream. smooth cuts through those massive logs. But there's room for improvement. Adding hydraulic or electric loading systems could take this build to the next level. Still, for now, it's a marvel of DIY engineering. Here's why you should never cut trees on a windy day. Just watch as this logger dodges a falling tree by inches. One wrong move, and it could have been a disaster. These are the moments that make logging one of the most dangerous jobs in the world. Stumps can be a nightmare to remove, but not with the back of a cantapilcuri. Watch as this beast of a machine makes quick work of even the most stubborn roots. This isn't just about strength, it's about efficiency. In a matter of minutes, the land is cleared, ready for the next phase of the job. If there's one machine that dances with danger, it's the Valtra Forestry tractor. This machine practically defies gravity as it navigates steep, muddy terrain. Look at those tires gripping the ground like a mountain lion's claws. This isn't just logging. It's a symphony of resilience, strength, and pure grit. If there's one machine that dances with danger, it's the Valtra Forestry tractor. This machine, now brace yourself for the LogMax 10,000 XT, the giant slayer of logging heads. It cuts through massive logs like butter, with hydraulic rollers and blades designed for maximum efficiency. Watch the precision as it slices through each tree, feeding wood like it's nothing. This is the future of logging, and it's as powerful as it is reliable. But logging isn't just about the machines, it's an art. These old mills, still running after decades, are a testament to craftsmanship that has stood the test of time. You won't find equipment like this anymore, but for those who value tradition, these mills represent the true heart of logging. Just listen to that saw. It's like music for the soul. And now, for the grand finale, Watch as the LT15 sawmill slices through a 70-centimeter diameter log with effortless grace. It's like watching a giant transform wood into flawless lumber, turning a raw, challenging material into something beautiful. This is the magic of modern technology meeting age-old craftsmanship, and it's breathtaking. Bucking logs teaches you respect. Every log's a new challenge. No matter your experience, each cut is unpredictable. Logs don't care about skill. They move on their own terms. It's more than technique. It's about staying sharp, staying humble, and knowing when to step back. The Hypro 755HB harvester is a force to be reckoned with. With its FG45 clamp, this machine takes on even the toughest trees, cutting through trunks up to 45 centimeters with surgical precision. In Sweden's vast forests, the Hypro proves that strength and finesse can coexist, promoting a healthier ecosystem with each fell. The Ransom Shark-Tooth Stump Harvester. This thing is a monster. At first glance, it looks a bit weird, but when you see it rip through massive stumps like they're paper, you'll be picking your jaw off the floor. It's unorthodox, yes, but pure genius in action. Land clearing has never been this easy, or this fun to watch. Now, let's talk about raw power. These logs are massive, heavy, and unforgiving. But watch that excavator move them like twigs. The operator makes it look easy, but trust me, every log is a wrestling match. Hats off to those who do this for a living, because it takes guts and skill to manage such brute force. Say hello to the Genshem 593R truck, the ultimate workhorse. This truck gobbles up wood with a 1.4-meter intake and a mind-blowing 300 liters per hour processing rate. From small heating plants to large-scale biomass operations, this truck is like a buffet for wood processing. It doesn't just keep things running, it runs the show. felling is one of the most dangerous jobs out there. Without a clear escape plan, you're playing with fire. When things go wrong, they go wrong fast. One wrong move, and you could be in serious trouble. You've got to respect the risks and always have a safe way out. Okay, picture this. A helicopter swooping in like a ninja with a giant saw dangling underneath, slicing through tree branches like it's nothing. That's right, helicopter tree sawing. It's part James Bond, part lumberjack, and 100% awesome. You won't believe your eyes watching this high-flying action. Debarkers come and go, but the Ravor WD-1400 is in a league of its own. Logs? No problem. Any type of wood? Easy. With its optical detection system and smooth speed control, it chews through wood like a hungry dog at dinner time. If you want sawmill efficiency, this bad boy delivers every single time. Don't be fooled by the size of the Ransom RSH-40. This little grinder swings side to side like it's dancing, and those tungsten teeth make light work of even the toughest stumps. Compact, but mighty. It's like watching David take down Goliath again and again, and you'll love every second of it. Looking for the perfect logging machine? Meet the Senebogen 830E. Not only does it pack enough punch to handle the roughest jobs, but it also does it with style, especially if you opt for the whisper-quiet electric version. Whether it's raw power or smooth operation, this machine gives you the best of both worlds.
Pump system on it, 48 GPM, V-twin Honda.
You've never seen wood splitting like this before. The box wedge hickory. Wood splitter brings 42 tons of force to the table, and when it slices through logs with that 6-way wedge, it's like watching a samurai sword at work. Smooth, powerful, and efficient. Log splitting just became an art form. Winter is coming, But with the Polaris 570, that's not a problem. Equipped with winter tracks, this ATV turns even the coldest, snowiest days into a lumberjack's dream. Hauling firewood in the snow has never been this fun or this easy. Talk about turning a winter wonderland into your personal playground. Now, if you want productivity, the Petzolato PTH 1400/1000M drum chipper is your machine. This thing churns out 380 cubic meters of wood an hour. No joke. Powered by a beastly Volvo engine, it tears through trees like a hot knife through butter. Small trees, medium trees, it doesn't matter. This chipper devours them all. Let's travel back in time to 1796. Here we are in Norway, where this ancient water-powered sawmill is still standing strong. It's a reminder of human ingenuity and the harmony between nature and technology. Imagine the sights and sounds of this mill in its prime. It's a connection to the past like no other. If you think tackling hardwood is a challenge, you haven't met the Woodcracker C550 yet. This machine slices through even the densest wood with precision and brute strength. Think of it like a heavyweight fighter that moves with the grace of a dancer. No tree is too tough for this beast. And now for something truly majestic. Thousands of logs floating serenely down a river, moving in perfect harmony with nature. It's a stunning sight to behold, reminding us of the beauty and sheer scale of forestry operations. Sometimes, Mother Nature and industry can work hand in hand in the most beautiful ways. From sky-high action to groundbreaking machinery, we've taken a thrilling journey through the world of modern forestry. These machines aren't just impressive, they're game changers. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping innovations in our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe and keep the adventure going.